Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring your character meets the minimum gear and world tier. This speeds drops and unlocks the blueprint. Once done, travel directly to the mission node that drops the dark matter schematic and queue it in expedition mode to chain runs. Make sure to prioritize kills that guarantee artifact cores and void shards. They are the gating resources. You should also join a focused group or use a farming route to reduce downtime and increase your per-hour yield. Now you take the gathered reagents to a crafting terminal and convert void shards into modulation units. That conversion is necessary to open higher-tier slots. Once converted, fuse the artifact cores into the Gauntlet chassis and slot the rare schematic you acquired earlier. Make sure to unlock and install at least 2 mod slots before final assembly, because those determine functionality. If you can, apply a mobility or damage mod to match your build. Finish by crafting the dark matter gauntlets and inspecting the final stats and mod loadout. Equip them and enter a short combat scenario to confirm functionality and synergy with your build. Once done, tweak mod choices if damage or utility is off, and reforge if necessary. If you encounter missing materials or blueprints, reset the mission instance and farm again at a higher world tier, or switch to a populated session. This reliably fixes drop rate issues and prevents wasted runs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.